What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 956 Flips. Today I've got an update on the Chrysler and the Honda, and here's the update. Alright, check it out, guys. No more Honda and no more Chrysler. I sold them both to a gentleman that said he was going to come look at them, and he took them both. Now, I didn't make any money on the Honda. I made a little bit on the Chrysler, but that headache is gone. I'm grateful that it sold. I told the gentleman, what the issue was. He says he has somebody in Matamoros that'll fix it, and he said he would get it fixed pretty cheap. So I'm pretty happy about that. The Aveo is still out on a trip. The 2010 Chevy Aveo, it's out on a turo trip. It should be back tomorrow morning, and I've decided to sell that one. It's been a good renter, but I'm starting to have a lot of issues with it. It's either I get it fixed and put some more money into it and keep it on the platform, or just get rid of it. Now, I do have the Impala, which is sitting right there. That one's on Turo also, but as of right now, we had one trip and the renter didn't show up. You can check out my other video on that. I have a video on it, on what I had to do. If you're trying Turo or you're starting out Turo, kind of like me, I went ahead and called Turo support and they helped me out with it. So check out the video. And now I'm in the process of looking for another car. Here's my pony. So that's going to be it, guys, for this short video. I just wanted to do an update, let you guys know what happened. Car is gone. Both cars are gone, actually. And I'm on the hunt for some other ones. So we'll see. I'll post them up as soon as I find something. Guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing it. You can use all the help I can get. Like, comment, share, and we'll catch you in the next one.